Need to send your calls to another number when you're busy, out of coverage, or traveling? Call forwarding is the perfect solution, and it's easy to set up right on your Samsung Galaxy. Whether you want to forward all calls or just the ones you miss, I'll show you exactly how to do it in less than a minute. Let's get started. Let's start with the most visual method through your settings. Open your phone app, the one you use to make calls. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Settings or Call Settings. Now look for an option called Supplementary Services. Tap on it. Then go to Call Forwarding option. Then tap Voice Call. You'll see the 4 forwarding types. Let's set up Always Forward. Tap on it. Always Forward means every call goes directly to another number. A box will appear. Enter the full phone number you want your calls forwarded to, including the area code. Then tap Enable. You'll see a confirmation and a call forwarding icon will appear on top of your phone screen. Let's see about another forward types. Forward when busy. Calls go to another number only if you're on another call. Forward when unanswered. Calls go to another number if you don't pick up. Forward when unreachable. If your phone is off or out of service. That's it. If this guide helped you set up call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.